everybody, this is Donna Miller with Miller Crafts, and today we have a really quick birthday card that we're going to make, and I'm using Miss Kate Cuttables. This paper pack is the Zoo Fun paper collection, and I did an unboxing video, so if you would like to see all the different papers that are in there, please watch my unboxing video. I also have this Miss Kate Cuttables Zoo Fun die cut pack, and it comes with all kinds of different animals and phrases, and I just really like this paper pack. It makes it for making cards on the go very quick and easy. So I went ahead and cut out this giraffe. I'll have all of the card sizes on my blog, so you can check out my blog if you're curious about that. So I just cut this twine here. This is baker's twine. And I'm just going to tape this on the back. That's the trick that I like to do, is just tape it on the back. And then we are going to wrap this around the card. So I'm going to kind of wrap this differently today. So I'm going to go kind of diagonal when I'm going to do the wrapping. So I'm going to go diagonal, diagonal, and then one through the middle. And that kind of makes a really cute design on there. And then I'm going to tape it on the back. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this down on my mat that I have here. I'm using art glitter glue. I like to use this bottle that I got from Hobby Lobby just because for me it's just easier. It doesn't get clogged as much as the other one, and I think it comes out much easier for me. So I don't think, because I have the baker's twine on there, I believe with this mat I'm going to have to actually put that on foam tape. So I'm going to grab my foam tape, and we're going to have to put that on foam tape because it's not sitting evenly on there. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue this other mat. All of these came from that Miss Kate Cuttables paper pack. Alright, for our sentiment, I'm using Happy Birthday. This came from Cards TV Mini Messages stamp set, and this is definitely one of my favorite stamp sets. Everything here is sized perfectly for making cards, and these stamp very well just the first time around. So this is Cards TV with Mary. She also has a YouTube channel, so check out her YouTube channel and go to her site and buy some stamps. And I really recommend, if you're just starting, to get the mini messages. It's the best one. So what I actually did for this sentiment was I used this paper pack, and it had a white strip going across, and I just used the back of that. You might as well use them, all the paper that it comes with. So that just makes for a really quick sentiment, and it's the perfect size for it. And then I just cut a black mat to go around that. Alright, so for our image, I have this giraffe on here, and I got the hat and the balloons from Cricut Design Space. That was on the Teddy Bears Parade cartridge. And I just, whatever size it popped up on Design Space, I just left it at that size. And all I did was delete the bear out, and I kept the balloon and the hat, and I just flattened them, and I just did print and cut. So that way this was going to be a very quick and easy card. And I went ahead and put that on foam tape. So we're going to take the foam tape off and get this card together. So we'll just go ahead and glue that down on this mat, and then this card will be finished. Alright, so let's take a look at our finished card. It says Happy Birthday on there, and it's got the giraffe and a hat. And then on the inside, I stamped this with altenew. This is beautiful inside, and anytime you need anything very quick for the inside of your cards, this is perfect. This has birthday, thank you, thinking of you, and sympathy. Thanksgiving, Christmas. This hits a lot of the major holidays. So if you need a quick and easy card for the inside, this is the way to go. So I stamped that on the inside. This says, wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday. So I hope you like this card. This was a very quick and easy card. So if someone comes up to you and says, I need a card, you could put this together within 10 minutes. So I hope this is helpful. I hope that you like this card. I think this card is adorable, and I just love the animals on here. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again on another video. Bye now. And if you like this video, please click and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of future videos.